Now, let us reaffirm our duties towards our nation by taking the pledge. Kindly stand straight and with pride. I would like to invite Mehnath for pledge. Pledge. India is my country. India is my country. Audience, sir. Audience, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of rich and heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Us throughout the day. So I invite Tanmay for today's thought.
Stand properly. Stand properly.
Happy morning, everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Tanmay of Grade VI Topaz. Thought: mathematics is the language of logic and creativity. It helps us understand the world, solve problems, and build the future. I repeat it again. Mathematics is the language of logic and creativity. It helps us understand the world, solve problems, and build the future. Thank you.
About the world around us. Now let us take a look at today's news highlights. I would like to invite Anil Kumar for international and national news.
Happy morning, everyone. Today's news bulletin is brought to you by SRVNs of Grade VI Topaz. Today's international and national news is brought to you by Anil Kumar from Grade VI Topaz. International news. Middle East, April 14, UN chief says to Iran, continue international laws. National news. Telangana heat wave alert for April 14 and 18. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Of Grade VI Topaz, now I am going to share with you state and sport news. State news. KTR cautions the election of 2026 eliminates the BJP's government. Sport news. Yesterday's match RCB versus LSG. RCB won by 5 wickets. Thank you.
Today, new word is brought to you by B. Ranjit of Grade VI Topaz. New word. Data, information or number. Please friends repeat after me. Data. D-A. Data. Information or number. Thank you. Effort to use this word in our daily conversation. Now to refresh our minds with some interesting questions. Let us check how aware we are. I invite our GK questions.
Hey everyone, my name is Siri from Grade VI Topaz. Now I am here to check your general knowledge with some GK questions. Question for Grade 1. What is the shape of pizza slice? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is triangle. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 2. What comes after 2, 4, 6, 8? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 10. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 3. Weight of a person measured in which unit? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is kilograms. Let us appreciate them. How do you write 0.07 in fraction form? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 7 by 100. Let us appreciate them. How many milliliters are there in liter? 1000. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 1000 milliliters. Let us appreciate them. Who is the father of trigonometry? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Hippocrates. Let us appreciate them. Question number 1. What is the smallest perfect number? 6. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 6. Let us appreciate them. When Pi Day were celebrated worldwide? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is March 14. Let us appreciate them.
conditions. Here is the weather report for the day presenting by Pon.
Everyone, my name is Kepon Kumar of Grade VI Topaz. Today I am going to share weather report. Maximum temperature 40 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 38 degrees Celsius, precipitation 5%, precipitation 5%, wind speed 3 km per hour, humidity 19%, air quality mostly sunny. Thank you.
Stay hydrated and take care of our health. Words have the power to inspire and guide us. Now I invite Manojna to deliver a speech on the topic math.
Happy morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Manojna from Grade VI Topaz. Today I am going to speak about very interesting and important subject, mathematics. Mathematics is not just about numbers and formulas and calculation. It is a subject that helps us to think clearly and solve problems, to tell time from measuring length to share things equally. We use mathematics every day. Many students feel that mathematics is difficult, but it becomes easy when we understand the basic concept and practice regularly. Math is like a great puzzle. When we solve problems, it gives us happiness and confidence. By learning math, we develop logical thinking and reasoning skills. It teaches patience and helps us to think step by step. So instead of fearing math, we should enjoy and learning with practice and interest. Anyone can become good at math. Let us all try to make math our friends or not fear. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Us throughout the day. Thank you all for your kind attention and cooperation. Have a wonderful and productive day ahead.